Hello, I am Priyanka Jarkiori. In this video, I'll be explaining on the topic of cash flow statement. First, let us know the meaning of cash flow statement. The first word is cash. It means all cash plus cash equitables plus marketable securities plus bank balance. The second word is flow. It means flow of cash. There are two types of cash flows. The first one being cash inflow, the flow of money from economy to business, and cash outflow, the flow of money from business to economy. The third word is statement. It is a performer prescribed by the Chartered Accountant Act of 1948. Hence, a cash flow statement is a statement prepared from the historical data taken from income statement and balance sheet showing sources and uses of cash. It reveals the inflow and outflow of cash during the particular period. It can be prepared for a year, half year, and quarter of for any other duration. The cash flow statement simultaneously provides an explanation of why a firm's cash position has changed between successive balance sheet dates and explains the transactions that have taken place in the firm's non-cash asset, liabilities, and stockholders' equity accounts over a period. The objectives of cash flow statement are: it shows the cash earning capacity of the firm. It indicates different sources from which the cash has been collected and the various purposes for which the same has been utilized during the year. It classifies the cash flows during the period from operating, investing, and financing activities. It helps the management in cash planning and controlling so that there are no shortage or surplus of cash at any point of time. It evaluates the ability of the firm to meet its obligations such as loan repayment, dividends, taxes, etc. It ensures optimum use of funds for the maximum benefit of the enterprise. Next, let us move on to the features of cash flow statement. It is a periodical statement as it covers a particular period of time like a month or a year. It shows movement of cash in between two balance sheet dates. It establishes the relationship between net profit and changes in the cash position of the firm. It does not involve matching of cost against the revenue. It records the changes in the fixed assets as well as the current assets. Some of the advantages of cash flow statement are: evaluation of cash position, planning and controlling, performance evaluation, framing long-term planning, and capital budgeting decisions. Limitations: cash flow statement considers only cash items, hence it does not reveal the actual net income of the business. Cash flow statement has its own function to perform, hence it cannot be replaced by any other statement like fund flow statement or income statement. It does not consider payments like advance payment or payments which are to be paid on a future date. Cash flow statement has three components and they are: cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from financing activities, and cash flow from investing activities. Operating activities: these are the principal revenue producing activities of a firm. Examples: cash receipts from sale of goods or rendering of services, cash payments made to suppliers of goods and services. Investing activities: these are the activities where a firm uses or invests cash to buy new asset or sell assets to gain cash. Examples: cash payment to acquire fixed assets, cash receipts from disposal of fixed assets. Financing activities: these are the activities that result in change in the size and composition of the owner's capital. Example: cash proceeds from issue of shares or other similar instruments, cash repayment of amounts borrowed such as redemption of debentures, bonds, and preference shares. This is the format of cash flow statement or CFS. The total cash is ascertained by adding all the items under each of three activities.